He goes for tails. And it's tails. It's a decision to bat first on this batsman-friendly pitch. The fielding team is making its way to the ground, and the opening batsmen are marching towards the pitch. The players look confident. We can hope for a cracking match today. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. That's well left. Better safe than sorry. He's taken the safe route on that one. A perfect delivery, and it has deceived the batsman completely. That's the first. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. He's on a hat-trick now. Sensational stuff. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Bowled in. It's a hat-trick from the bowler. What a brilliant spell this has been. A fiery start by the bowling side. A golden duck, and the batsman walks home. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. Some balls are better left unplayed. Good judgment there. It's a wicket maiden. He's only... Swept away in a frenzy. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. You won't find that shot in any textbook. They lose another wicket in quick succession. That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. He has a chance of making it a hat-trick if he gets the wicket off of this ball. Should be a speedy chase if all goes well for the batting side. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. What a hit by the batsman. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge six. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Bowler overstepped the line there. Time to go for the maximum. Here comes the chance for a free hit. big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A wild leap of desperation. Did he make it? Loud shouts from the bowling team, but the umpire decides in the batsman's favour.